In this video, we'll explore Snap packages, what they are, how to install them, and how to manage them on your Linux system. We'll cover installation across different distributions and show you how to install, update, and remove Snap applications, and discuss some important consideration about using Snap packages. Snap is a universal package management system developed by Canonical. It allows you to install applications that are completely self-contained, meaning they include all the dependencies needed to run properly. Here are the main benefits of Snap packages. Snap applications run in a sandboxed environment which provides better security and isolation from your main system. You receive updates directly from the application developers, ensuring you'll always have the latest version available. Snap works consistently across different Linux distributions, not just Ubuntu. Updates happen automatically in the background without requiring manual intervention. This makes Snap a convenient solution for users who want simplified application management across different Linux systems. Before installing Snap, let's check if it's already available on your system. So for this, open your terminal and type the command snap version. If you see the version information, Snap is already installed and ready to use. And if Snap is not installed, here's how to install it on different distributions. Here in the official web page of Snap, for the installation, there you can see different methods depending upon the distro that you are using. Snap is typically pre-installed on Ubuntu, and if it's not installed, depending upon the distro that you are using. So right now here I'm using Pop OS, so I need to run these commands to install Snap. First, sudo apt update. And then sudo apt install snapd. And now this will install Snap on my system. And after installation, it's recommended to log out and log back in to ensure all components are properly initialized. To install Snap applications, you can browse available software at snapcraft.io, which is the official Snap store website. For this demonstration, let's install VLC Media Player. In order to install this, need to run this command sudo snap install VLC. The installation process will download and install the application along with its dependencies. This may take a few minutes depending upon the application size and your internet connection. Once installed, you can launch the application through the system application menu or from the terminal using this command snap run VLC. To view all the Snap applications currently installed on your system, use this command snap list. This command displays the application name, version, revision number, and publisher information for each installed Snap package. To check for available updates, you can run this command snap refresh --list. To manually update a specific application, you can run this command sudo snap refresh VLC to update VLC. And in order to update all the installed Snap applications, we can simply run this command sudo snap refresh. To remove a Snap application, use the remove command followed by the application name. For example, to remove VLC, simply type sudo snap remove VLC. If you want to completely remove Snap from your system, the process depends upon your distribution. For Ubuntu and Debian based systems, simply run this command sudo apt per snapd. For other distributions like Arch, Fedora, or OpenSUSE, use the same package manager you use for installation to remove the snapd package. While Snap packages offer advantages, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Snap applications may have slower startup times compared to native packages or other universal package formats. They consume more disk space because each application bundles its own dependencies. The Snap store is proprietary and controlled by Canonical, which some users prefer to avoid. Desktop theme integration and appearance may sometimes be inconsistent with your system theme. These factors don't necessarily make Snap unsuitable, but they are worth considering when choosing your preferred package management approach. So in this video we covered how to install and use Snap packages on various Linux distributions. Snap provides a convenient way to install and manage applications across different systems with automatic updates and improved security through sandboxing. Whether Snap is the right choice for you depends upon your specific needs and preferences. Consider the benefits of universal compatibility and automatic updates against the potential drawbacks of larger file sizes and slower startup times. So that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please like and share the video, subscribe the channel and turn on notifications for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.